Best quality contour cutting plotter CY1300BT. It can cut image directly with camera. Big application markets in vinyl sticks and sublimation t-shirts. Crossway Industry. It is a leading company located in Guangzhou City, China. Hot cell all inkjet printing machine, sublimation machine, CNC machine, laser machine, and most other science equipments.
The same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.